New earning method in this video again. The link of the website is below on description of this video. Let's quickly get to know about website and guidelines. Offer valid for United States residents only. SURVEYSAVVY. SURVEYSAVVY has a new sister. A survey panel owned exclusively by members, empowering you to exchange your data and opinions for company shares. It's your data. Invest it wisely. Your opinions matter. Join SURVEYSAVVY and get paid to speak your mind. The more surveys you take, the more money you earn. Get more with our app. Earn cash rewards simply by installing our SURVEYConnect app on your computer, smartphone, and/or tablet. Get more with each device. Surfing the web? Earn cash for that too. Install SURVEYConnect on your smartphone, desktop, and/or tablet and receive $5 per device each month plus access to special surveys and expedited payments. How it works? It's free, safe, and easy. Online surveys. Companies are looking for consumer opinions from people like you. Since 1999, SURVEYSAVVY registered sign has been directly connecting you with those companies and pays cash for sharing your opinions. After you join and complete your member profile, we use the information to target various demographic groups according to criteria established by our clients. When your profile matches the basic criteria for a specific survey, we will invite you via email to participate. If you pass the in-depth screening portion of the survey and complete the body of the survey, we will credit your account the amount mentioned in the invitation. There is no guarantee as to how many surveys you may receive or participate. That is based on your personal profile, what our clients are looking for, and if you fit into any open quota group. There is no real average as to how many invites most people receive. The amount of invitations varies, but you may receive more based on your profile. Behavioral research. Launched in 2009, SURVEYConnect Registered Sign is an easy-to-use desktop application that unobtrusively includes you in behavioral market research while you browse the internet. When you install the software client, you help our clients better understand online behavior and can receive supplementary paid surveys for remaining active. Incentives for participating in SURVEYConnect Registered Sign continue to evolve as we develop the program. As an added benefit, SURVEYConnect Registered Sign provides easy and instant access to all of your online survey invitations right on your desktop. Installation of the software is not required to participate in online surveys. The software recognizes the private browsing and incognito mode of the major internet browsers and stops transmitting when these modes are activated. Member profile and portraits. It is important to keep your member profile and portraits current so we can appropriately match you to survey opportunities. Your member profile starts with your registration information, but it is enriched by completing optional portrait surveys. Portrait surveys are a series of additional questions pertaining to a specific subject or aspect of your life that will help us build a more accurate representation of you. Updating your portrait will help you qualify for more research surveys. Referrals. With one of the most innovative referral programs around, SURVEYSAVVY Registered Sign continues to grow rapidly through its referral network. The best way to boost your incentives is by simply referring new members. We provide a public referral link you can post on your blog, Facebook, Twitter, or other social media. You can also send private invitations to your friends and family via email. How does our patented referral payment system work? U.S. Patent Nos. 6,446,044 7,194,448. You get incentives when you complete surveys. You get incentives when your direct referrals complete surveys. You get incentives when your indirect referrals your direct referrals made, complete surveys. Getting paid. Once you have accumulated more than $1 USD in incentives, you can request payment by using the Request Payment tool under the Account section once logged in. Payment is made by check in USD and will be mailed via US Post to the residents on file. Privacy. We work hard to earn and keep your trust by following a strict privacy policy. We never sell or share your personally identifiable information. Our clients only get to see anonymous or aggregated data. We also enforce a rigorous anti-spam policy. We'll never send spam or any other unsolicited messages to your email address. What is SURVEYConnect? SURVEYConnect uses safe, cutting-edge technology to collect data as you surf the web. While we find trends in online search, shopping, entertainment, and other applications, you earn cash rewards. Already a member? Check your SURVEYConnect status here. SURVEYConnect monthly participation requirements. Welcome to SURVEYConnect. This is a unique opportunity where we pay you guaranteed monthly incentives up to $15 USD per month, $5 per device type for US members simply for remaining active in the SURVEYConnect community. Offer valid for US residents while SURVEYConnect is installed and activated. Limit 1 per member per listed device type, computer, phone, or tablet. To earn monthly incentives, members will need to maintain a positive standing in the SURVEYConnect community. Credits will be issued after your first full month of participation. This includes frequently using the devices with SURVEYConnect installed. We must receive at least 7 days of actual usage data per device per calendar month. Keeping your SURVEYConnect application active and up to date with the latest software version and updates. Click here to check the current status of your devices. All about SURVEYShares. A unique approach giving you control over your data while earning. As a consumer-driven data sharing community, SURVEYShares delivers valid data that elevates the information intelligence for global brands, products, nonprofits, governments, and other worldwide populations, which is why we highly value our community members. SURVEYShares provides a unique way for you to earn shares for your data and opinions. As you provide information via surveys or digital data, you earn shares instead of the one-time payment of a few dollars. These shares can earn dividends, so the more data you provide, the greater your potential earnings over a longer period of time. See what SURVEYShares is all about. It's your data. Invest it wisely. As a member of SURVEYShares, you earn shares in the company by taking surveys and/or providing your digital data. Based on the performance of the company, dividends can be paid for each share, so you continue to earn well into the future. Membership in SURVEYShares. If you have a membership in SURVEYSAVVY, you can switch to a SURVEYShares membership by simply transferring your account. You will need to agree to new consent, but can keep your account password. Transfer my account to SURVEYShares. Transferring your account will make the SURVEYSAVVY account inactive, and you will not receive future survey invitations or compensation from SURVEYSAVVY, although you will still earn money from your SURVEYSAVVY referrals. You will be able to log in to view your account and request payment of any remaining balance. You do not need to close your SURVEYSAVVY account. Sign up. To complete your registration, please read and confirm your consent to our data collection processes below. SURVEYSAVVY General Consent Form. SURVEYSAVVY and our parent company, Luth Research, LLC, care about your privacy. Once you opt in, we will collect and use your personal data only as needed to deliver our research services, websites, and applications, collectively our services. Your personal data may include information such as name, address, telephone number, date of birth, email address, other data collected that could directly or indirectly identify you. This consent form describes how and what data we collect, and how and why we use your personal data. It also describes how you can access, update, or otherwise control your personal data that we process. What additional information do we collect? Cookies. A cookie is a small piece of data that is stored on your computer or mobile device. Like many websites, we use cookies and similar technologies to collect website usage data and to operate our services. Cookies are required for most parts of our services, such as taking surveys, accessing your member portal, and requesting payment. We use both session cookies and persistent cookies to better understand how you interact with our services, to monitor aggregate usage patterns, and to personalize and otherwise operate our services, such as by providing account security, preventing fraud, and remembering your website preferences. We do not support the Do Not Track browser option. Survey data. We collect your information for research purposes only. We may collect information such as, but not limited to, personal data revealing racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, religious or philosophical beliefs, or trade union membership, data concerning health, or data concerning a natural person's sex life or sexual orientation. To collect this information, we ask for explicit consent below. You may freely withdraw at any time by visiting the Privacy Preferences section of www.surveysavvy.com or emailing privacy@surveysavvy.com. Location information. We require information about your sign-up and current location, which we get from signals such as your IP address or device settings to prevent fraud and to securely and reliably set up and maintain your account. Subject to your settings, we may collect, use, and store additional information about your location, such as your current precise position, to operate or personalize our services, including with more relevant surveys and additional research opportunities. SURVEY Connect behavior tracking. For members who download and install our SURVEY Connect desktop or mobile applications, we collect information for research purposes aimed at understanding how you interact with your device and browse the internet, the types of entertainment you watch or advertisements you see, the searches you conduct, etc. To collect this information, we ask for explicit consent below. You may freely withdraw at any time by visiting the Privacy Preferences section of www.surveysavvy.com or uninstalling the app and emailing privacy@surveysavvy.com. How do we collect IT? Survey data. We will send you surveys and ask you to fill out online questionnaires. Data entered into these questionnaires will be recorded and analyzed by researchers at the individual and aggregate level. SURVEY Connect behavioral tracking. If you install SURVEY Connect and participate in web tracking, we will collect all data that you enter into websites and mobile applications, subject to the exceptions set forth below. For example, we capture the URLs of websites that you visit, the length of time you are on each site, and date and timestamps for each activity. We also collect search terms that you may enter into your browser search engine or a website or mobile app search function, regardless of the contents of your search, e.g. if you insert personal information into the search field, we will capture that information whether it is medical, biographical, or otherwise. We do not collect data that you enter into secured third-party form fields, e.g. if you make a purchase on a secure website. We do not collect the contact details and payment card data that are entered. We also will collect information about your interaction with a site or mobile application, such as whether you have engaged a chat feature, contacted customer service, signed up to receive newsletters, or logged onto your email or other online account. We do not collect the contents of your chat, email, or other customer service correspondence. Rather, we only identify whether you have activated certain features. We will track this data for each device on which you install our software, and we may reference the data as associated with a particular device or aggregate data among various sets of users. We will collect your device ID, assign a unique ID to your device, and associate all information that we collect about you with that ID. If you install our software on a mobile device, we will collect your mobile device's location information with your permission. We use the information we collect to identify online trends. We share the information we collect through our software with our business clients and partners. If you participate, you may be eligible for paid research opportunities. To disable our software's information collection, uninstall it from your device. For additional information about our use of the information that we collect about you, please see our website privacy policy. Age restrictions. You must be a U.S. resident at least 13 years of age to use this service. Thanks guys for watching. This was my next earning method, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. Good luck.